Hi everyone, this is another video of cutting fruit and vegetable. So here we go. This is lemon. It's cutting the lemon. See, this in the two half. Okay. So here we put second part. This is carrot. We cut here. See, that's into the two parts. We put this here on the sides. Now it comes tomato, and you can see we cut in the slices. One slice, second and third. So we put in the side. Now we have watermelon. First part on here, second, third slice is here. So our watermelon is done. This is cucumber. We are cutting the slice of cucumber. First part. Second piece.
So yummy.
So yummy. There we go. Everybody loves cucumber, yeah?
Yeah.
You love? I like. Cucumber is very healthy vegetable. That is our bun. Bread. So that's, we will take it to the picnic spot or wherever you like to go, school, lunch, you can do that. So there are the bread slices. You can keep it here, two half here, half here. So all our fruit and vegetable and bread is in the slice piece. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoy every single part of this video. Wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye bye.